anything with jack-o'-lanterns on it. Hey guys, what's up and welcome to my new room. I know you can only see like a little part of it, but maybe a room tour coming in November. We shall see if it looks less disastrous than it does now. But anyway, today I have a kind of like random video for you. There's been this video going around. People are like literally trying on everything that they have in their closet. And you know, tearing apart my closet today sounds like a lot of fun. But since it's October, I figured we'd do kind of like a spooky version of that where I'm just going to try on all of my Halloween clothing, which is, you know, it's decent. I mean, it's not huge, but like, I don't know, maybe this is like a really random whack video that no one will care about, but I'm just like a fan of festive clothing, so let's just celebrate it and go with it. But if you guys are interested in DIY costumes, I'll leave the link for the playlist for all of my DIY costumes I've made throughout the years. There's quite a few, some popular ones, some classic ones, you know, some things that you just might want to check out. So I'll leave that linked in the description box for you guys so you can check that out. Let us go forth and dive into all these Halloween-y clothing bits. So I did actually get a few of these thrifting. So this one is one that I got thrifting. It is actually last year I posted a fall haul like right around this time of year, and this was in it. I found this thrifting. It's just a purple long sleeve shirt with 3 pumpkins on it, and it says trick or treat. Another thing that I found thrifting at the same thrift store, my favorite thrift store by the way, is called Frenchies. Actually it's called Guy's Frenchies / Geese Frenchies. I don't know which is the right way to say it, but that's my favorite thrift store. That's where I find all the cool stuff, and the prices are really, really good. Anyway, I found these there. Obviously, you can see them, but they're just really stretchy, comfortable leggings with Halloween print on them. I freaking love them. So this shirt I have had for many a years. I think it's really cute, so I didn't get rid of it. It's kind of like misshapen and funny now, but I'm just too attached to Halloween stuff, and I couldn't get rid of it. So it's this shirt. It has, I got it from Blue Notes like years and years and years ago. It just has all kinds of little like ghosts, but they're like not ghosts, you know what I mean? There's like ghosts, there's aliens, there's like a Harry Potter one, you know, there's a jack-o'-lantern one, and jack-o'-lanterns are like my freaking favorite Halloween like logo / icon. Anything with jack-o'-lanterns on it, good for me. I found this next top at Frenchies as well. I got this one in the springtime actually. So it's just a few months ago, and it's super cute. I have no idea where it's from. I actually wore this in a really recent Instagram post. Follow me on Instagram at Fallon Fraser if you want to check out my Instagram. I'm trying to work really hard on it. Instagram's hard, man. Like Instagram is really competitive, and it's really hard to have a good feed. So kudos to all the Instagrammers out there that have really nice cohesive feeds, because I just haven't quite nailed that yet. But anyway, yeah, Frenchies. It's just a white t-shirt with skeletons and bats and jack-o'-lanterns and witches and spiders and all the Halloween goodness. It's really comfortable too. I don't know, maybe it's like a pajama top. I really have no idea. Oh, I also have a black t-shirt from Blue Notes, just like the one that has like the ghosts on it, and it says boo, but I can't find it. I may have left it at my mom's house. I don't know. This next one I got at Giant Tiger a few years ago. It just says, "This girl loves Halloween," with little skeleton fingers. Well, what was really cool about this shirt, there's a little pocket in here, and it used to like scream when you pressed the button, but I accidentally put it in the wash. Like there was a pocket so you could take the little screaming thing out when you washed it, but I accidentally left it in there one time when I washed it, so it ruined it. But anyway, I still got the shirt, and the shirt's still cute. I'm carrying on with Giant Tiger. I got this one a year, maybe it was last year actually. I think it was last year. I got this one at Giant Tiger. It's just orange with a, yet again, jack-o'-lantern and then some like silver like leafy bits. Oh, I think there's toothpaste on this. I wore this one yesterday, so don't judge. This is one that I got at H&M. Not last year, not the year before, like the year before that, I think. I don't know, it's been a few years. I like to carry these around with me for many years until they literally fall apart, but none of them have fallen apart on me yet, so I just keep them forever, I guess. So it's just a skeleton long sleeve shirt. I haven't been to H&M like lately, but I feel like they usually have like a really good selection of like Halloween themed stuff. So if you guys are looking for like Halloween stuff, I would definitely check there. I actually even seen some Halloween shirts at the dollar store, but I mean like they're a little bit cheesy, not as cute, so I didn't buy one. But if you're looking for a cute Halloween shirt, you can try the dollar store. Dollarama, not like, I mean, I don't know about like the States dollar stores or stuff, but like Dollarama is where I seen them. This is like one of my most favorite items of clothing that I even own like in my whole entire closet, and I found this one at a thrift store as well. It's just like a really oversized like 90s looking Snoopy jack-o'-lantern sweater, and it's like so comfortable and it's so warm, and I freaking love it. I'll probably wear it today because I wear it almost every day in October, and I'm not even gonna lie to you about it because I just love it so much. And you can only wear it for the month of October because it's just not socially acceptable to wear this. I mean, like, I guess you could, like, who really cares? But people might give you, like, you know, like, you don't want to wear it in December, that's for sure. Snoopy pumpkin sweater, my favorite sweater ever. Freaking love it. Actually, I found it thrifting the year that I did the DIY Scooby-Doo costumes because I found the Daphne dress and this sweater on the same day. Now we're down to the last item, which is actually brand new. I have not worn this yet. I got it off of Wish, but it's really freaking cute. A dress with jack-o'-lanterns and black cats and skeletons. It's so cute. I'll probably wear this like actually on October 31st or something. It's not something that you can like really wear every day, but it's freaking cute. I had like Wish cash in my account from like old refunds and stuff, and I was like, what the heck? Why the heck not? So I just ordered it. So I do believe that is all of my Halloween clothing except for the Boo shirt. I don't think I forgot anything. I hope I didn't forget anything. Yeah, anyway, that is my whole collection of Halloween clothing, and hopefully it grows and grows and grows and grows because I freaking love Halloween, which is like weird for someone that does not like scary things. Like, I do not watch scary movies. Halloween, I just watch the cheesy like kitty, like, you know, feel good Halloween kind of movies like Halloween Town and Hocus Pocus and like that kind of thing. But anyway, I love Halloween, so I want to get more and more and more Halloween clothing. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if anyone even watched to the end of this video, I don't even know. So thanks for watching, and I will hopefully see you guys soon with a brand new DIY video because it's been like a solid long time since I've done a DIY, and Halloween DIYs are my absolute favorite. So hopefully next week I will come back with you guys with a DIY, but for now, that is all, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!